Got him. Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. No, I only got 8 pounds. Chill. Chill, chill, chill.
pitch further than most casts. Something different. You can't use these for bait. Nah. That's a grunt, ronquito, and this yellowtail, he gotta be 12 inches to keep. That's probably like 8. There they go, they're coming back through now. Yeah, I'm fishing like a local on YouTube. Fishing like a local on YouTube. Fishing like a local. YouTube.
On YouTube.
Thank you, Padre. Terrell. There they go. Oh yeah, that's the good size. Oh, they eat them, yeah. There we go, there we go. Little dude, but I got him. You can take that one. Yeah, or to eat even.
Right, if I put him in my shrimp bucket, that'll eat my shrimp bucket. That'll eat my shrimp.
No.
You don't want to eat my shrimp?
No. You can eat these.
But they don't eat my shrimp?
No.
Okay, gracias, bro.
No problem.
Muchas gracias.
No problem.
My mother-in-law from Mexico.
Oh, dope.
She said, oh, I can eat a soup with this.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
No problem. picture. I'm T, but you know, fishing like a local. But they also call me T. What'd you get today?
Huh?
What'd you catch today?
I just got here, that's
Uh-oh. Couple jacks, little yellowtails, mangrove, everything small.
Today?
Yeah.
Here?
Yep, standing right here in this spot. Shrimp.
I saw your video on, was it Tuesday?
Oh, okay.
You came over here and you catch a bunch of jackballs.
Oh yeah, that was down there in the middle. They might be over there now still.
Bunch of mutton down here.
Oh yeah, undersized everything.
I saw.
Yeah, nothing too crazy for the windy day. Another one? Yeah, they all over today. I got a snook. I knew it was a big old yellow jack. I mean Jack Crevalle. Nice Crevalle, I mean. Got him. Nice fish.
Got him. Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. No, I only got 8 pound. Chill. Chill, chill, chill. I don't even see him yet. Mutton.
16.5 inch mutton on the 8 pound test. That's pretty impressive. Safe landing. He smoked me. Easy, buddy. Dang, I thought that was my keeper, Mango. Keep it. Keep your life. Nice catch. Yep, for sure, 16.5. Later, buddy. On that light tackle, bro. That's a battle right there. I'll let him get you. Get him, bro. Get him. Damn, boy, the muttons are biting. Swing him over. No problem, bro. You could get your hook back on that one. For sure. Back to back muttons. Same corner. I want to bypass the muttons and hit the mangroves. I'm on the chicken rig. He on the Carolina, Goofy Carolina. I'm on bottom.
Yep. Where the hygiene go when I go home?
You got a cat there by any chance?
Nope.
You don't?
I got, oh, press live.